Hey everyone, welcome to SpeTool's YouTube channel. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to the SpeTool Dust Collection Shroud, our latest product designed specifically for SpeTool Router Sled to help capture the dust that comes with woodworking. Let's dive right into the unboxing. Here are all the components that come with the Dust Collection Shroud. We've got 4 main parts: dust collection connector, brush, plate hanger, and acrylic plate. Plus, there are some smaller accessories like rubber O-ring, special tape, hardware bag, and cam lever. The acrylic plate is pre-drilled to fit various routers. The circled A holes fit Porter cable, Triton, and Milwaukee. The B holes fit Porter cable, Rigid, Bosch, and so on. And the C holes fit Craftsman. The first step in installing the Dust Collection Shroud is to install the acrylic plate. Now, put the O-ring into the dust collection connector to ensure a tight seal, preventing wood chips from escaping. The dust collection connector has a 2.5-inch outer diameter, perfect for capturing wood chips. It's made of PLA material, which is biodegradable and environmentally friendly. Place the connector onto the acrylic plate, align the screws, and tighten them up. There you go. Next, we'll assemble the plate hangers. We need 2 long plate hangers and 1 short plate hanger. They are made of strong and durable aluminum alloy. Use the screws to connect these 3 metal pieces together. You can use the hexagon wrench from our hardware bag for this. Now, we slide the acrylic plate with the installed dust collection connector into the plate hangers. The brushes are made of nylon, which enhances dust sealing. Each brush is 0.15 millimeters thick, capable of capturing 95% of dust. Let's install the brushes now. We insert 3 brushes into the plate hanger, securing the last short plate hanger with screws. Finally, install the 4th brush. We've included a special tape to reduce friction between the plate hanger and the router sled. Carefully apply the tape, avoiding the holes. The SpeTool Dust Collection Shroud is designed specifically for the SpeTool Router Sled. Let's install the router sled. First, we set up the height adjustment plate. Use 4 screws to tighten the black height adjustment plate onto the sled. Next, attach the wheels to the height adjustment plate. Our wheel assembly is already pre-installed, eliminating the hassle of installation steps. These wheels glide smoothly, greatly enhancing your work efficiency. Now, we'll attach the dust collection shroud to the router sled. Start by installing the flattening bit onto the router. Mount the dust collection shroud onto the router and secure it with screws. We slide the spacer into the router sled to the suitable position. Then place the shroud onto the sled. The cam lever quickly secures the dust collection shroud, speeding up your workflow. Let's see the dust collection shroud in action. Place the wooden board to be flattened under the router sled and secure it with the clamping tools that come with the router sled. Time to adjust the sled's height. Get it just right for our board. And don't forget to tweak the bit's height. Now for the magic trick. Compare the performance of the router sled with and without the dust collection shroud. On the left, we see the sled without the dust collection shroud. Dust is flying everywhere. On the right, with the dust collection shroud, the dust is effectively controlled. See that? No shroud means a mess. But with it, we've got convenience, making cleanup much easier. The SpeTool Dust Collection Shroud tackles the most annoying part of woodworking: dust. Click the link in the video description to get your own SpeTool Dust Collection Shroud and say goodbye to dust. SpeTool, make your walk easier.